Hey guys, how to change your age on TikTok. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the TikTok app. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead into clicking your profile at the below right corner. Let me just skip this ad. Click on your profile at the below right corner. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead into clicking the three bars at the top right. Okay, and from there what I'm gonna do, before you do go ahead to the settings, just go ahead and select your profile right here, and you're gonna be able to see that there isn't an option to see your birthday. Click the three bars again, move along to the settings and privacy, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna just report a problem, right? And after reporting a problem, you're gonna just move along to the next step, which is selecting the kind of issue that you are facing, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click account and profile, and basically it's gonna direct you to your account and all that. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and say probably editing a profile or something like that, right? So basically you're gonna be able, let me just go ahead and say profile page, or let me say editing profile. Okay, basically I'm gonna just move along to the next step, and basically you're gonna see right here unable to change username, change an account bio or something like that. You're gonna just go ahead and click other, basically move along to the next step. Okay, and basically you gotta just go ahead and click need more help right here, and they will direct you to the feedback section, basically, right? And you're gonna just tell them that, hello TikTok team, I want to change my date of birth, right? And you're gonna just take a screenshot on your profile, and you're gonna submit it to them, and you're gonna wait for them until they reply. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.